Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to extract the first n characters of a string. So given a string, so you have to extract the first n characters of that particular string. So let's try to solve this. So let me take a string variable, that is text equals to, so let me use input function, and here let's ask a user to enter a string. Yeah, so once the user enters the string, so it will be stored in variable named as text. So let's take value of n, and yeah, so let's take a variable n and try to store the value of n, that is to extract the first n characters. So let's use input function call again, and here let's ask a user to enter the value of n to the user. So once the value of n is entered, so let's convert this to an integer, because this is should be a string integer type. So once we get the integer, and that is n and text, so let's try to check if value of n is non-negative. So if the value of n is negative, so let's try to print the invalid value of n. So let's check, let's use if statement, and n is less than 0, so what you have to do is just print invalid value of n, that is value of n is invalid. Yeah, so let's take a else part. So this is for successful scenario, so let's try to print something over here, that is the first n characters of string is, so let's print a message. And now let's take another variable to store the extracted value. Let's use new underscore text, and let's use a, that is the string slicing method over here. So text of colon n will give us the, that is extract the first n characters of the given string. So once we get the new text, that is that is a string extracted from the another string, so let's use a print statement to print the new underscore text. Yeah, so this is the complete program to extract the first n characters of a string. So let me execute this, and let me show you how it works. So running the program, and enter a string. So let's say write a Python program, and enter the value of n. So let's give, I need 3 characters, that is the first 3 characters. So let's see, the first n characters of a string is WRI. So you can see it has printed perfectly. So instead of n, so let's use a string formatting over here, and instead of this, so let's use a flower braces, and now change it to n. So yeah, so now let's execute this, enter a string. So let's say hello world, and enter the value of n. So I need -3. So you can see value of n is invalid has been printed, that is if statement is executed, that is invalid for the negative scenario. So let me execute it again. So here let's say write a Python program. Let me copy the same, that is complete headline, and paste it over here. So let's say first 12 characters I need, that is the first 12 characters of a string is write a Python. So I can count this, this comes approx 12. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to extract the first n characters of a string using a string slicing method, that is colon and n. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.